Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of the Constituent Assembly. In this episode, we will speak on K Sanathanam. He was born in 1895 at Madras. He obtained his law degree from Law College, Madras, and from 1920 he started his practice at Madras High Court. He was the first editor of Indian Express from 1932 to 1940, after which he became the joint editor of Hindustan Times. He participated in freedom struggle and mostly in the non-cooperation movements as well as Satyagraha. He also organized movements to encourage khadi production all over Tamil Nadu. He was elected to the Constituent Assembly from Madras on Congress party ticket. He spoke on various issues like he wanted greater autonomy for the villages and provinces. He also argued in favor of equitable distribution of financial resources between the various units of governance. During the debate on citizenship issue, he had more than one amendment to define a citizen as every person born or naturalized in India. He also spoke on the method of passing of bills in Parliament. He passed away on 20th of February 1980. We are grateful for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.